Good morning, students. Today we will discuss about the chapter 9, work and energy. So work in a science, work is said to be done when a force is applied on an object and object is able to move to some distance. If the force applied is unable to move an object, we say there is no work done. Like suppose somebody is pushing a wall. So wall pushing, the energy has given, but the wall doesn't move. So in that case, there no work has done. Okay, but if suppose somebody is pulling any object and it coming to forward, no. So in such cases, the distance has taken place. So we can say their work has done. Okay. Then coming to the energy. Energy is the ability to do work. Energy is present in different forms in nature. The term energy and work are commonly used in everyday life. Okay. So there are different forms, sources. These sources of energy can be broadly divided into two classes. One is renewable sources of energy and the non-renewable sources of energy. Renewable sources energy which can be renewed easily and available in plenty in nature are called renewable source of energy, like a sunlight, water, air, tide, biogas. These are the example of renewable sources of energy. So here some of the things little bit described. So we can see solar energy. Sun is the primary source, as we know, and from the sun we are getting sun and light, heat both. So the solar energy is converted into electricity by using solar cells and heat energy using the solar cookers. And wind energy is natural source and it does not cause any pollution. Wind energy is used to generate electricity. Then water energy, as we know, it's using to generate electricity in the hydropower plant, or it is a pollution free source of energy. Then coming to the tide energy. During sea tides, in the sea tides, we can see water rises up and then flows towards the shore. This water energy can be used as a generate electricity. Then biogas, generally we use in the villages. It is fuel obtained from the animal dung. Biogas is domestic, convenient and clean fuel. It is cheaper and has high caloric value. Then coming to the non-renewable sources of energy. These sources energy which cannot be renewed easily and are available limited quantity in nature. So this energies, one day it will be over. So first one given, coal. By burning the coal we generate electricity. It is used in the manufacture of coke, coal gas, synthetic petroleum and as a fuel. Then coming to the petroleum. Petroleum is a fossil fuel mainly used in vehicles, dry cleaning and for preparing petrol gases. And natural gas is also found in the petroleum reserves. The compressed natural gas CNG, it's clean fuel and transportation, domestic and industrial use we can using. Then coming to next part, there are forms of energy. There are different forms of energy. So your first one given, heat energy. Heat energy is produced by burning, rubbing or mixing one object with another. Fire products, both heat and light energy we can see. So then light energy. Light is a form of energy that help us to see things around us, like a torch, tube, lights and bulbs, etc. Then electrical energy. Electrical energy is a form of energy that is produced because of the flow of electricity charge. TV, computer, refrigerator, washing machine. So many devices are running by the electrical energy. Then mechanical energy. Mechanical energy is two types: kinetic energy and potential energy. Kinetic energy is a form of energy that is an object possesses because of its movement. For example, when a car moves, it possesses kinetic energy. Moving water or air possesses kinetic energy. Then coming to potential energy is a form of energy that gets stored in the object due to its position or configuration. Energy stored in stressed rubber band, a ball at a certain height, and a compressed spring are example of potential energy. Chemical energy is a form of energy that is stored in any matter. Energy stored in food, fuel, and battery are example of chemical energy. And sound energy is a form of energy that is produces when an object vibrates. Thunder, ringing bell, and vibrating drum are some example of sources that produce sound energy. Okay, children. So this is one very small chapter. I hope you all understood. Thank you.